So y'all, this is what I asked for, and this is what I got. It was way more orange in person, so we're gonna transform it. So to achieve this color, I decided to part the hair into sections, because the first part, this was my test strip, I decided to hand paint it, and that was taking too long. So we are going to do the water dip method, hot water method, and then hand paint the top. See how this goes. So if you're unsure of the hot water method, I'm going to show you. We're going to use hot water, and for the purple I have Adore 85 Burgundy Bliss. I'm going to pour the hot water. Here I'm dipping the hair in the water, and as you can see, I'm going to dip the hair all the way up past the rubber band. And here's a tip: when you're doing this method, take the rubber band off and then dip it again, because you'll get that line of demarcation, and we don't want that. Did the ends in the Burgundy Bliss. Now we're going to use the Adore Paprika, and we're going to do the top. As you can see here, I'm just freehanding this, honestly. Most people would take section by section and, you know, go through it, but I had to freehand it because I had a flight to catch in a couple hours, so I need to get this done quickly. So freehand it is. When you're hand painting, make sure you're going vertical and never horizontal, because then you'll get a line of demarcation, and we don't want that. This was the final look. Thank you for watching. More videos coming.